Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified of our latest video. Today we are diving into a powerful feature of Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio called Template Explorer. Let's get started. Once you open your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, just go up here and click on View. Click on View and then select Template Explorer. You'll see it on the right hand side of the screen, or you can also use Control plus Alt plus T to access the Template Explorer. Let's explore the Template Explorer. So the Template Explorer provides a variety of predefined templates for different types of SQL scripts, including database creation, table creation, and more. You can see we have backup, we have database trigger, default, earlier versions, endpoint. These are all predefined templates that you can use in SQL Server Management Studio. Now, let's take a look at how to create a database. So I'll expand this and then choose Create Database. Right click and click on Open. You have your scripts. For you, all you need to do is to customize the script. There are two ways of customizing the script. I'll show you both ways. The first one is to edit here. So we have use master, go drop the database if it already exists. So we have if it exists, select name from sys.databases where name. All we need to do is to delete all this and then put in our database name. So our database name is, let's put demo DB as our database name. So name of database is this. Let me copy this. I'll need it. Okay, so drop database here. So what we need to do is to put the database name there. That's all you need to do. You don't have to write any script. Drop database demo DB, create database. Click on execute or F5 and you have your database created. Let's refresh our databases. We have our demo database. I'll show you another way of doing it. Let's create another database. Double click on it. Instead of deleting, I'll go to query up here. Click on query, specify value for template parameter. I'll click on it and all I need to do is to edit the value. So I already have demo DB. So let's do a demo DB 2. Click on OK and then you see how fast it has been edited. All you need to do is click on execute and you have your database created. Right, so I have demo DB2. Let's see how we can create a table. I'll scroll down to table, select table, and then click on create table. I'll right click, click on open. My predefined script has been generated. So all I need to do is to edit my script. The simplest way, we go to query, specify values for templates parameters. So here under the value we have database. So the database name, let's use demo DB as our database name. The name of the table we are creating. The schema is, let's leave it as DBO. The table we are creating, let's say customer table. That's the name of our table. So customer table. And then we have our first column, which is primary key. The first column has the primary key. So let's say that's the customer ID. The data type is int. We have not now, right? And then we have our column 2. Let's say that's name. So let's say name of the customer. The data type is char now. And then we have our column 3 here. Let's say hire date, since the data type is datetime. Click on OK. You can see the script has been edited nicely. All you need to do is click on execute and you have your table created. Let's expand demo. Go to table. Then we can see our customer table created. Let me select top 1000 rows. I don't have any entries yet. If you want to add the entries, you can just right click, edit top 200 rows. Once it opens, you can put in your values and then. So this is a simple way of creating a database and creating a table. So let's say ID is 1 here. The name, let's say John. And then the hire date, let's say 2021 to 1323. Okay, so enter here. Now let's check if we have it. Let's go to our customer table, right click, select top 1000 rows. We have it here, right? And that's it. We have successfully created a database and a table using the Template Explorer in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Using templates can save you a lot of time and ensure consistency in your SQL script. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on SQL Server and other tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.